Hi everyone, Jen here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make this cute little flower crown with the leaf. So what you will need to make them is a crochet hook size 3.5 millimeter and two color of the yarn. For me, I use pink and the green for the leaf and the pink for the flower. In this project, I'm using acrylic yarn, but you can use any kind of yarn that you have, like maybe use some cotton is good. So let's get started. So we will start with the chain 14. Start with the slip knot and then chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 14. After you got a 14 chain, in the next chain form hook, we will make a 3 double crochet and slip stitch. One double, two double, three double, and then we're gonna make a slip stitch to form the first petal of the flower. And then in the next chain form hook, we will make a 3 double crochet and slip stitch again. One double, two double, three double, and slip stitch. And then on the next chain, we're gonna make the 3 double crochet and 1 slip stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, then slip stitch. And now we got a 3 petal of the flower. Then we're gonna join by slip stitch to form the flower. And then we're gonna make a chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And then we're gonna start the same process again by make 3 double crochet and slip stitch in the next chain form hook to make the second flower. And we will continue to make the flower. My one is about how long? I'm making about 20 flowers the pink flower. So maybe you can make a flower maybe 20, 15 or 25. It's up to you how long you want the flower to be, the flower crown to be. So now we are going to make the leaf for the flower crown. We will make chain 12. Start with chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we're gonna make slip stitch in the next chain from hook. And the next one, in the next chain we make a half double crochet. On the next chain we make a double crochet. On the next chain we make a double crochet. On the next chain we make a single crochet, and on the last one, on the next chain we make a slip stitch. Now we have a leaf, and then we bring the flower that we make a separate, and then we will connecting the leaf and the flower somewhere around here. We connect by the slip stitch. And then we make a chain 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we're gonna repeat the same process again to make a second leaf by slip stitch, and then have double crochet on the next chain, and then we make a double crochet on the next chain and a double crochet on the next chain, and and single crochet on the next chain and slip stitch on the next one. And then we're gonna connecting the second leaf to the second flower. We can do it on here behind. Do a slip stitch, and now we have flower and leaf together. And then we're gonna start the same process again by chain 12 for the leaf, and then we keep continuing doing this until you got the length. So after we this one is just an example. After we have the long piece of the flower here, and then we have this tool, we just tie it up of each side. we tie them up, and then to make the flower we tie them up already, like the same in here. And then after we have we're gonna line them up like to make the circle, and then use this piece to do like this to create a flower crown, and then use the other end to wrap it up. And then use this one to do like this, and then we got a flower crown already.